मीडिया में आई हालिया रिपोर्टों में दावा किया गया है कि प्रदूषित हवा में सांस लेना रोजाना कई सिगरेट पीने के बराबर है। ये दावा अमेरिका की कैलिफोर्निया यूनिवर्सिटी बर्कले की एक रिसर्च के आधार पर किया जा रहा है। इसमें कहा गया है कि हवा में प्रदूषण के उच्च स्तर की वजह से लोगों को प्रतिदिन 20 से ज्यादा सिगरेट पीने के बराबर नुकसान हो रहा है।
Wrong, but it was way back in around 15 years back that scientists from Berkeley Earth, these are Richard and Elizabeth Muller, the father and daughter duo, they actually scientifically devised, after looking at various samples and of the air pollutants, that almost one cigarette is equal to the 22 microgram per millimeter. So if you put it in short, that if you are having, say, a AQI of 500 on average over a day, then it's almost equivalent to 25 cigarettes. So that's what the equivalence was drawn depending on the data which they collected. Now, obviously, you cannot exactly parallel it to a smoke because the pollutants in the air when you have this large air pollution like it is occurring now are different and quite the effects are different than the particles which are inhaled when you smoke a cigarette.
डॉक्टरों के मुताबिक सिगरेट के धुएं और हवा में प्रदूषण दोनों में हानिकारक पदार्थ होते हैं जो फेफड़ों के टिश्यूज को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं। सिगरेट या तंबाकू के धुएं से कार्सिनोजेन और दूसरे जहरीले पदार्थ निकलते हैं, जबकि प्रदूषित हवा में सांस लेने से दिल और सांस से जुड़ी बीमारी हो सकती है।
So, though tobacco smoking contains nicotine and many other harmful things which directly link to cancer, carcinogenic substances. But apart from that, the gases which are produced, apart from that, the soot particles or the particulate matter that are there are almost same. So initial symptoms like coughing, irritation in eyes, throat congestion, nose block, both due to cigarette smoking or due to pollution, both can have same symptoms.
So both the diseases, they can lead to a condition called chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. So patients who have been smokers for a long time and continue to smoke, they have these permanent changes in their lung, which can lead to destruction of the lung structure, and the tubes become blocked with mucus. A similar effect can happen to a person who's exposed to very high degree of pollution, particularly in these areas. Now, there is a considerable area of overlap between the two. So somebody who's already been a smoker and is also exposed to pollution is going to have more effects compared to a person who's not been a smoker or who's been otherwise healthy. But there is almost a similar kind of picture which can happen both in smokers as well as to those who can have high degree of exposure to pollutants, which is called COPD.
ज्यादातर डॉक्टर यही मानते हैं कि प्रदूषित वायु में सांस लेना आपकी सेहत पर भारी पड़ सकता है। इस तरह के माहौल में सांस लेने से स्वस्थ लोगों के दिल और फेफड़ों के काम करने पर असर पड़ सकता है। डॉक्टर और हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट ये भी बताते हैं कि इस तरह की दिक्कतों से बचाव के लिए तत्काल उपायों की दरकार है, जिससे ये प्रदूषण किसी की जान पर भारी ना पड़े।